Now guys, start balsamil guys ha. Balsamil. Balsamil sauce ha guys ha. Only little because only not together. Now guys, I cut the dough guys ha. The dough. Now is press first layer of beef guys ha. First layer of beef. I make more now guys because I have more bolognese available. So guys ha.
Start. Kalap.
And guys ha, I cut the dough. You see guys ha, how to cut the dough. Now I put one by one. See guys ha. How to make easy lasagna. Italian pasta guys ha. You see? How to make easy. Only make this guys ha, you see? Easy way. Now first layers of beef guys ha. I put now beef. Only 1 spoon. Like this. Oh, easy guys, you see? Finish.
Stop.
See guys, I make more now. You see guys, easy. Guys. Nice. Now little cheese guys ha. Little cheese. And then little balsamic up. Yes. Like this only. And like this. Now we cut again the dough. 2 layer of beef coming guys. This is last layer of beef guys ha. Last layer of beef. Put Tuscan the this is last layer of beef. Easy guys. How to make guys ha. Last layer of beef guys ha. Only 2 layer. Wow. 2 layer guys ha. Now is now I put more beef. That's why I had only 2 layer. If you like 3 layer, no problem. Less the beef, the bolognese guys. You see, 1 spoon. I put more. That's why only 2 layer I make. I cook yesterday guys, and the pasta is I make now. I cannot put video because now is more busy, more preparation. Before I have 2 days off, that's why now I coming again and more working. You see guys, easy guys to make lasagna. Last layer guys ha, finishing tayo guys. I make finishing guys ha. You see? Now I cut again dough. Last layer. Dough. Last layer. This is finishing guys ha. Cut the same size, the same shape. You see guys, put the trash can. See guys ha, last layer. This board is using for cooking food. This is cooking food preparation. You see, this knife the same, the board, the chopping board. Ready to cook, use brown knife and brown chopping board guys ha. Now is finishing guys ha, you see. Last layer, finishing. 1 spoon big, enough. 1 spoon. It's easy to make like this guys. Oh, easy. Cover the meat. See, cover the meat. Finish, guys. Easy. You see, guys, how to cover it all. You see, finish, guys. Easy to make lasagna. You see, guys, don't forget, share and like my video. Chef Eric Malya and Sharap. Chef Sharap. Chef Shahil Sarap, guys, don't forget. Sahil Sarap. Chef. And then my channel is Chef Eric Malya. Oh, guys, ready? Now I clean side by side. Select to good clean. Guys, you see how to make easy lasagna, Italian pasta, guys. Now is finished 12 pieces.
Assalamualaikum, Chef.
Guys, I put oven 15 minutes. I put oven, guys, I make 12 pieces of lasagna, guys. I put the oven now. Oh, guys, now I open. Start, guys, 15 minutes, guys. Nada finish. Only little golden brown. Finish. The beef already cooked inside. All finished. At the finishing. Now, guys, finish, You see, guys, I open now, Only like this color, guys, little golden brown. You see, guys, finish. And then finish you have order. Put mozzarella cheese. Microwave 3 minutes, and then finish mozzarella cheese, and then salamander, Put salamander. Maybe 4 minutes, kalas, and then serve the customer, guys, You see, easy. I make more now. Please like and subscribe. Sahil Sarap, Sahil Chef, and subscribe and like the video, share, and then Chef Eric's channel. Please subscribe and like. Don't you guys, the finishing now is ready to give the customer, guys, You see how I make more. You see. Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget share and like my video, Chef Eric Malya. You see, guys, finishing. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. God bless to all.